Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Now click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down, select Theme, and apply the best one for you by clicking on it. In my case, Solid Dark. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to try something else though, go into Play Store instead and download free app called Keyboard, the Google Keyboard. When it's ready, open it. Then tap on Enable in Settings. Click on the gray switcher next to Keyboard and select OK in Attention pop-up. Then click on the back button, tap on Select Input Method and click on Keyboard on the list. Then select Done. Now you can finally close Keyboard app and go into your device's settings. Scroll down again, tap on General Management, but this time Keyboard Settings and Theme. Now you have two options. You can scroll down, click on those icons at the top right corners of all of those categories to see all available ones. Click on the best one for you. Manage key borders and select Apply to change your keyboard, or go into exactly the same settings but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!